Hey everybody, my name's Jesse Colson and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna go ice fishing down here at the lake. Got the puppy dog and my son with us. Papa stayed home today. Well, here in a few we're gonna get headed out on the ice. Got everything loaded up in the truck. Back of the truck's full. Got the snow machines on the trailer. Dog's excited. She's never done this before, so we're gonna go find us a special spot. Try to get set up. Big target's gonna be Ling. Anything we catch will be a bonus, but we have a 3-day trip as long as the weather holds out and doesn't get too crazy on us. We'll be staying on the ice and it's gonna be a fun trip. Hey, a little quick look at the bed of the truck. Got the floor for the ice hut down in there. There's our heat fuel. Ice hut's over there on that side. This is our trailer we use to put the floor on. The auger and the cargo trailer there. Full snow machines loaded up. We're gonna get everything unloaded and get out there. All right, well, surprisingly, we got it all loaded in one load. So, we're gonna head out on the ice and we're gonna head that direction. See if we can't get on a nice little hump over there. Well, we made it to the spot on the ice we wanted to be. Finally got the hut set up. Quick little walk around. Got it all set up. We're about 100 feet or so off the shore. About 30 foot of water is what we're sitting over right now. Just enough snow on the ice to ride the machines, which worked out great. This is our little trailer that we use for the floor. Do a better view tomorrow of it. That trailer hooked up. Had them both loaded up good. Got the heater set up. Still working on getting everything situated in here. It's currently a disaster, but get it all set up and check in after a bit. All right. I got a pole set up there, pole set up here, both sitting in the jaw jackers. Flasher going. And go outside, throw a couple of tip ups up, and then come inside and probably start cooking some dinner. All right, heading out to go set up a couple of tip ups. Start with this one. Sorry for the camera angle there. There we go. Here, Trent, just a second. Before you get all that cleared out, let me. Okay. Now go ahead.
And I still have that tool and everything else, by the way.
Okay, that's good for now. All right. Vexilar over here and dropped in. See what we look like on depth here. It's in at 29 feet. Oops, sorry, Coda. Leave a little bit of that slush because it'll kind of help it from freezing over too hard.
Yeah, no, I'm pulling it all over to the side.
Okay.
So that you can stick that in there without an issue.
It'll go in just fine.
Well, you buried the light there. That's a beacon, though.
All right, here we go.
You are cold. No, actually, you're warm. You are very warm. No. Oh. Hold on, I goes down. Be slow. Oh, there's some. Is that a fish head?
It's a line.
But it's not moving when you move the line.
a second. Break that chunk of ice out of there. There we go. Alright.
That's fish. That was quick.
Come up just a touch more.
There's one. Look.
Okay. Set that on the light setting. Now, we'll grab the other one, walk out and get it set. Leave this one, and hopefully with that little light on there, we can just look out the door of the ice hut and see if it's up or not. Okay, if you want to jump in and grab that other one, son. Happy dog, Coda, first trip out on the ice with us. She's all excited about it. She loves the snow, so it's a good place for her to be. Alright. Hole number 2. Make a little room there. Pretty dark out tonight. Moon's not, I think, only about half. So, be nice and dark. I have to come out every 30 minutes and check these tip ups so they don't freeze in too hard. Hold on.
Cool.
It's a little brisk. This one will take longer to go down. Doesn't have as much weight as that other one does. About halfway there. You just hold it like this.
That light isn't working either.
I'll have to turn it back on.
I ain't even gonna show up. Coda, go. Right there. That's right on the bottom. I think that's real good.
Pretty close.
Better try that right there.
There we go.
Might be something in there somewhere. No, that's the line. It's no weight on it. Probably isn't it?
Come up just another
That's good.
3 twists.
There you go.
That should get us in the right spot. Alright. Got this one set. We're gonna go back in where it's warm. Hopefully get a fish.
There's something.
Alright.
Second.
Back to the hut.
I think we should check that other one again. There's something over there, I think.
Yeah, you'll know if there's something on it. That light will be up. Back in where it's warm.
It'll be cool. I looked out this way to check that.
Yeah. Slow down, Coda. Oh, it's warm in here. Definitely nice in here.
Oh, I took the gloves off.
Pop that back in there and see what we got. Lean back down.
I can start a whole bunch of them bugs up.
There we go. All right. We are fishing. I think we're gonna get some dinner going. The Vexilar sitting in that hole. Over here we got the Vexilar camera. A whole lot of bugs in there. Actually looks like you see pretty good distance. Coda's got her little bed over here, right in front of the heater. She should stay nice and cozy. I'm gonna fish for a while, and then we might get our bed set up and get ready for the night. But for now, I'm just gonna fish and have some food. All right, tonight for dinner, we are having leftover lasagna. Just kind of crushed it up, make it a little easier to cook. Got the deal set up on the heater. Made a nice little stand so that we can use it as the cooker. Works good. Takes a little bit longer, but hey, it's all right. Gets the job done. Food's hot. That's all that matters.
Check this out. Look, flash over here. See where I was at? There's a fish. Right there. Right off the bottom.
I don't think that's a fish. I think that's sediment on the bottom, buddy.
No. That's a fish because I'm all the way in the bottom.
Alright, well, we got bed's kind of set up. There's Trenton's bed. Coda's bed's right there. She's having dinner. Got her holes down there. Here's my bed.
Oh, this is so comfy.
And we got the heater setting over here, right between us. So,
Shall we have our poles
we're just going to
set?
fish out of those two holes like Trenton was just saying. Keep those poles going all night. Hopefully get a fish. It's kind of bumming me out. Usually we've hooked a couple by now, but haven't fished this lake this year for Ling, so
Even though we caught one.
we'll hopefully have better luck in the next couple hours. Usually it's about the time they really get to biting anyhow, so yeah, we're both laid down in bed. Trenton's over there watching some videos. I can probably call this the end of day one. If we manage to hook onto any fish tonight, we'll flip the camera on and try to get it on there anyway. If not, I guess we'll see you in the morning. Well, woke up 4:50 in the morning. Finally got our first one out of the water. Sorry I didn't turn it on a little sooner. Thought I had to get it out first and then record, so. And here we go. Slimy little bugger anyway. He's not a monster, but hey, he's a fish, so I'm not gonna complain. Finally got our first one. Might not be a bad spot after all. And we'll get this one out and stick him outside and go back to sleep for a little bit. Well, Trenton's changed his jig, put a tube back on. I think we're around about 5:13 in the morning. Coda sure seems like she's enjoying herself. She got herself a nice little setup going on over there. It's kind of funny. But we got one fish so far, so only took right around, seems like 12 hours, I think. So pretty cool. First time I've actually caught a fish on a pole while I've been sleeping. This is our first year using the floor in this hut, so definitely pretty exciting. Just using the jaw jacker. Got it set up. Got the pole just dead sticking in it. So it's pretty neat. Hearing the bells ringing as I was asleep woke me up and had a fish. Probably the easiest fish I've ever had to catch. Just sat here and slept. Trenton just got his back in and set up, so I think we're gonna go back to sleep for a little bit. Good morning from day 2. Didn't get any more fish last night, only got the one. But at least we got on the board. Got one fish out of the water, and hopefully we can get some trout throughout the day or something. Anyway. And maybe have more luck with Ling tonight. Well, it's snowing outside and kind of looks yucky out there. So, apparently Coda Dog wants to say hi. But, we're going to spend some time in the ice hut, hang out, do some trout fishing, see what we can get. Well, for now, we're going to get some breakfast going, get the cooker set back up on the heater, and have some food and hang out, see what we can do. Here we are, live, Trenton Colson, in the ice hut. What's the wind?
Bad.
Well, welcome back, everybody. We made an executive decision and decided to move. Moved over where we've had really good luck in the past. So Trenton's over there fishing, just getting everything resituated. It is. See if I can clear it up so maybe you can see out there a little better. Wind is whipping. I don't know how hard it's blowing, but it's probably every bit of 30. We're kind of tucked into a little spot. We're protected, but out there in the middle, it's nasty. So, everything's set back up. Sleeping bags are still put away. Don't need to get them out yet, but we're just gonna mess around, do some fishing, and have some lunch here in just a couple minutes. But aside from that, nothing else going on. Fishing's fishing, not catching anything.
Yeah.
So we're gonna keep at it. Hopefully here in a few minutes after lunch, put the camera on and maybe we can get some good footage. All right, so
Nice land here.
we made a good choice making a move. Trenton just nailed a nice one. Good job, dude.
Thank you.
That was awesome.
I knew we had it.
Seen him come in on the camera. Unfortunately, I don't think the camera was recording.
With that hook.
So we got one in the hut already. That's a good sign. Now, as you can see, fishing is yet again slow. Trenton got the one laying and haven't had anything else. Got the pole set up, but we're just hanging out, waiting for something. Flasher's going in this one. Camera looking at the down angle in that one. And we're just hanging out. It's too windy to be outside doing anything, so might as well stay in where it's decent and try from in here. And a little update for the day. We had a couple fish on the flasher. Haven't hooked anything else, but as of right now, we're getting dinner cooked. Working on getting some deer back straps cooked up. Oh, hold on, we got a bell outside. Trenton's got something. Pull up, hold on, let me get that. Be easy with it, be easy with it. Be easy with it.
I heard the bells go off that time. Oh, nice little Ling.
Little Ling, get him over. Good job.
Just a baby guy though.
Good job, that's all right.
Yeah. It's
another fish.
Yeah.
Hey, we're doing better than we did last night, no doubt.
Yup.
Don't pull him up by that like that.
Okay. I heard the bells going.
Yeah.
When you were talking.
That one was the minnow. Huh? 2 on a minnow. Well, get another minnow, get it set back up. Sorry about that, everybody. A little excitement in the middle of the dinner intro there. Okay, sorry about that little franticness there. Trent heard some bells outside, so wanted to go get that fish dealt with real quick. Another nice little Ling. Action's picking up. Doing better than we did yesterday.
I'm gonna go get this reset.
Well, give me just a minute, I'll come help you. Another one?
Yep. See?
Oh yeah.
There's a whole bunch. Oh, missed it.
Jig just up above him.
Well, I gotta get my gloves back on my hand.
Did you light that up?
No.
Before you put it in?
Hold on. Let's go shoot that down for a second.
There he is, see him?
Yep, he's gonna come for it, I think.
Okay, just let it sit there.
Okay.
And just give him a minute. I'm gonna see if I can get, whoops, bells on these. Can you come hold this for me?
Me?
Yeah. It'll be fine. We'll hear it. Come over here. Real quick. Hold this so I can see. Try to get bells on. These ones.
He's tapping it. Not enough to do anything. There's another something over there anyway.
Well, good ears, buddy, because I wasn't even paying attention.
I heard it, but I knew it was bells too. I knew I
good
wasn't
job.
just hearing stuff that time. Alright, here, hold this.
Let's just get it reset.
I think he's there. Airplane.
Birds.
Oh.
Whole bunch of ducks. There's some gourmet cooking on the ice.
Yeah.
Put a little bit of water in there. Get that stirred up. Put the lid back on it. And then just let her cook.
Is that that wind smacking out the hole? Look it.
No, it's probably the wind.
Probably. I hope so. I'd be a little scared. Oh, that smells good.
Oh, it's gonna be great, man. Oh, I'm so excited.
Homemade fajitas.
Yeah, ice fishing fajitas. That's what we're gonna call it.
There you go, Dad.
All right. Looks like our ice house fajitas are almost done. Oh, Got another fish out here.
Got him. Nice one.
Real slow, real slow.
You want to take him?
No.
Sure?
Yeah, keep going.
That's the same one as last time, too.
Just keep reeling.
That minnow.
Oh, there's a nice one. Came out.
That was a baby one.
Hey, that's okay.
Yeah?
Oh, we got a flag.
I knew I heard 2 bells. Got him?
Nope, I don't think he's there. Nope.
Alright, I need this flashlight real quick.
Here, light this back up.
Okay, that's just the same one. I was gonna say, we ain't got no,
Okay, can you come back over here so we can get this resat real fast, and then we'll deal with him?
Dang, well, that was on the minnow again. So hey, maybe the minnows are good. Dead.
There we go. Okay.
Nice. You can get the next one. Unless you want me to get it, you can get the next one.
Go grab the, well, yeah, grab the flasher. Let's make sure this is. Yeah. Here, hold on. Just sit down.
Get that hook out of there and I'll go.
Take him over and pitch him behind the house. Fishing's getting hot. So's the food. Seems like every time I try to do something with the food, we get a fish.
Yeah. That was crazy because I went out there, I heard the bells from the flag, I think.
Well, yeah, I heard you. I heard it too. Just as you opened the door, I heard it. Get that thing re-baited. Get another minnow on there. Don't pull it out. Let that bail go. And then pull it out. I'm gonna throw my hoodie on.
Yeah, I should put another coat.
At least I stink and have something a little bit warmer. Yeah, that was cool. Good job.
The minnows.
Well, in typical me fashion, got a fish, left the camera sitting on the bed. I'll try to do better on the next one. Hopefully I can remember to grab the camera. I think Trenton's up to 3 and I'm at 2. So definitely started to catch a few. Hopefully we keep it up through the rest of the night. Keep this up about every 15 minutes. We've been hooking one here the last hour or so. I don't know, maybe a little longer than that, I guess. But anyway, had our dinner right in the middle of eating it when that fish went. So keep at it. Hopefully I'll remember to grab the camera on the next one. No, dinner was a success. Got a couple fish. We're up to 5. Got one of them in here last night. One of them in here this afternoon. The rest of them have all been off of a jaw jacker outside. So definitely getting a few numbers, which is great. Hopefully we can keep getting a few more and maybe go home with a nice pile of fish. Trent's still over there finishing his food. Coda's crashed on her blankie again. Turn the heater back down. It was getting a little too hot in here. But got the hat cam sat back up, so hopefully remember to grab it if we get another one outside.
Alright everybody. Dad got a laying out there on the tip up. Grabbing some stuff real quick. One second. Here you go. Here's the camera. It's recording.
Well, typical fashion for me again. Got another one out. Not a huge one, but fish is fish. Oh, we're having fun too. Having a good time. Hey, grab another chunk of sucker, Bubba. Just a little one, doesn't have to be huge. Go away, go. I guess every time I come out here, I just need to bring the darn camera with me. That was exciting. That makes number 6. First time I've ever caught something on a tip up, so that adds to my excitement just a little bit more. Okay, hold on. Okay, here we are on a tip up.
Hey,
come up.
The camera?
Got it. Start pulling.
The camera.
I got it. Just keep pulling slow. There you go.
Nice.
Another little one. Little GoPro 5 action here. Yeah, trying to hook another little one.
Tiny baby one, probably the smallest
Not
one
bad though.
I've ever got. This one.
Ling's a Ling, man. Now we're up to 8 fish. I think I got that one on camera that Trenton pulled out. Trenton's first one on a tip up too, so it's been a good night for both of us getting our first on a tip up. It's pretty exciting. I've never actually handlined a fish in like that, so that was a pretty neat experience getting to do. Definitely getting to do it in the same night that Trenton did. He's having a hoot too, so it's definitely been a fun night already. Still early. Keep catching. We'll keep our poles in here in the water all night long and stick some bells on them later. But hopefully get a couple more outside at least before it gets way too cold out there. Holes aren't freezing up too bad, so as long as we keep going out every 30 minutes and checking them, they're just barely getting a skim ice on them. So any luck, get some more fish, keep taking you guys along on the adventure. All right, we got another one on a tip up.
Feels like it anyway. Yep.
Oh,
That's a nice one.
Oh, there we go. Get away. There you go.
It's a better one.
That one's a little better. Trying to get some light on it, sorry.
With the tip
That one's not bad.
With the tip ups, it seems like they try to swallow the hook more.
Yeah, it's because they can sit there and pull them.
Well,
All right.
I thought I heard a bell.
Yep.
Oh, it's covered in snow. Look at it. That's pretty.
Got another one, so. Yeah. I think we're going to call this the end of day 2. Trenton and Dakota are both crashed. They're both wiped out. Had a pretty exciting day. I think we had 9 fish total at the end of what we're calling the day. I guess if we manage to hook any more in the middle of the night, we'll get the camera flipped on and try to record getting them out. Yeah. I think we're going to call this the end of day 2. Trenton and Dakota are both crashed. They're both wiped out. Had a pretty exciting day. I think we had 9 fish total at the end of what we're calling the day. I guess if we manage to hook any more in the middle of the night, we'll get the camera flipped on and try to record getting them out. And we moved over from where we were this morning and yesterday. We fished this area over here before. We've always done good, so figured we'd come back over here. We hoped we'd still be able to do good and get a couple fish anyway. We have done good. So got the jaw jacker set up in here with some bells on them, so should know if we get something tonight. Hopefully we'll get lucky and get another one at some point in the middle of the night. But guess I'm gonna get crawled into my sleeping bag and curl up too. Hopefully try to get a little bit of sleep anyway. See y'all in the morning.